Hi, this is Joydeep Bhattacharjee. This is my project 2 for Udacity operationalizing machine learning project. This is my home uh, tab for my own subscription for Azure ML Studio. I use my own subscriptions to complete the entire project. And as you can see that I have the dataset uploaded, which is bank marketing underscore train as per the instruction. And an auto ML run uh, is created, and I have two experiments, project 1 and project 2. Project 2 has some change in properties. I'll focus on project 1, and you can see if I go to this automated ML run, you can see that it's completed, and the best model is voting ensemble. The area under the curve weighted is 0.94798, which is pretty decent accuracy. And the deployment status succeeded, and this is the deployment endpoint. So I can go to the endpoint and show you the deployment for the bank marketing deploy. And if I go inside the deployment status, it's healthy, it's properly deployed, and I can test this model which is deployed using this data set. And if I test this, I get a result which is no, means denied. I can also test this using the SDK which I installed in my Windows PowerShell. I logged in using Azure login. Everything is created, service principal is created, all good to go. So if I run this endpoint.py in my starter files, I'll get the same result because it has the same data set that's shared in the screen that's copied from the Azure ML Studio. So you can see that the endpoint gave the same result as the Studio, and the result is no. Now I'll go to the deployed pipeline. So the pipeline is created using the notebook, which is actually already here in another tab. And sorry, to go to that notebook. And you can see all the steps in the notebook has been successfully run, and the workspace is created. The compute cluster which I created is called the cluster demo 1. It found the cluster, so it didn't have to create one. It loads the data from here, which is the bank marketing train dataset, and this is a Panda data frame which it creates from the dataset. And you can see that the AutoML configuration is set up. It's a classification task, and the label column is Y. And after this is run, then the pipeline is created with a proper description, the workspace and the steps, which is the AutoML steps, which is defined in the previous notebook code. And the experiment is submitted, and you can see it's successfully run, completed. The runtime and end time is all noted here, and run is complete, and it gives the information about the AutoML run ID and the duration, and this nice diagram that it's finished. Once the AutoML run is done, then this code picks the metrics, um, the metrics of all child run, and then this particular code deserializes that matrix and prints it. So you can see all this run, all these metrics for different AutoML run, and the best model is picked from that run, and then it is downloaded using the pickle library, and the best model is loaded. The pickle loads the best model from the file, and then the steps are mentioned, and as you can see, all the information is provided, everything ran successfully, and the model is tested. We load the same data set, we split it into test set, and the model is tested, and you can see the confusion metrics, pretty high accuracy, and the rest. This is the REST endpoint. It's published through the SDK, and this REST point is created, and then your interactive authentication is successful, and then this particular code, um, it posts the endpoint, posts the request to the endpoint and successfully run, and you can see that the output is shown here, and you can see that this is all the information about this run, and everything successfully completes. So that completes my screencast. Let me know if I need to repeat this. Thank you.